Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the subject achieving the operational excellence and the customer intimacy in the enterprise applications. This is a subject, this is the topic which comes under the subject of management information system. So this is a brief introduction about the topic. So operational excellence is based on providing the products at the lowest cost, and that product leadership is based on differentiation and the innovation, and the customer intimacy is based on the services and the flexibilities. This is nothing but the operational excellence. And the model says that the organization should focus on one of these disciplines as a part of its overall strategy. So they needs to follow, the organization has to follow either of the at least one of these disciplines. What are the disciplines? One is the low cost and the product leadership, and the second one is differentiated and the innovation and the customer intimacy. So this is nothing but the operational excellence is based on providing the products at the lowest cost and the product relationship based on the differentiation and innovation. So the customer intimacy is based on the services, and so when the customer is satisfied with the services and flexibility, then the intimacy will be satisfied. So achieving the operational excellence with the enterprise system, how we do that? So enterprise structures help the companies acquire the operational excellence by the way of streamlining the techniques. This is the way of streamlining the techniques and then enhancing the efficiency and imparting the actual time facts throughout the department. This is the importing the actual time facts that throughout the departments. So this is a centralized database which contains the sales and marketing and the finance and accounting and the human resources and manufacturing and production. In the art also, it is also internally divided into subtopics that are in manufacturing and production. We have subtopics like materials. These are the ones which are included in these manufacturing and production. So like that, all these are included in this particular one. So achieving the operational excellence is using the information technology. So it sees we follow a number of steps to achieve the operational excellence using the information technology. First one is creating the structural process, and second one is having the throughout understanding of the products process. So first we have to start the creating the structural process. Then we have to understand what is the process flow, and after that determining KPI and benchmarks, then measuring them. So we have to keep some standards and benchmarks so that we can measure them later. So and evaluate the process of improvement opportunities. Once the KPI and benchmarks are satisfied, this improvement of the future opportunities. After that, now implementing an optimized version of the process. This is the last one, but it plays a crucial role in the process. So 10 core principles of the operational excellence is so leadership, commitment and support. Leader should, if the leader is if leader is more active, then he commitment, he is very commitment person, he is very supporting person, then the project goes very well. The customer focus also should be maintained, and the continuous improvement also have to be maintained, and learn thinking. And lean thinking is that you have to cleanly observe the things, and according to that we have to plan our strategy. So standardization is also has to be maintained, because if it is not maintaining the standards, means it cannot we cannot say that this project is not this project is the not the standard one. So the employee empowerment and engagement, data driven decisions and flexibilities, so continuous learning and training. Everybody needs continuous learning and training. So what are the three components involved in this section? There are three crucial components that drive operational excellence. So one is the creating holistic environment, and second one is the collaborative workforce, and third one is the committed leadership. What are the strategies we use? So operational excellence is focusing on consistently delivering the values to customers through continuous improvement. It is providing continuous delivery through continuous improvement. It means that optimizing every aspects of the company operations to eliminate the waste, reduce the cost, and improve the productivity. It is maintaining the consistent delivery with the continuous improvement. Also that it is also companies also eliminating the waste, reduces the cost, and increase the productivity. So what is the customer intimacy? So customer intimacy is a measure of your own awareness of your awareness, so and alignments with or the customer needs and values. The customer intimacy goes beyond taking to the customer, so it's about two-way connection. The perception matters, and if the customer centric without cultivating the customer intimacy. So this and if it is not the customer centric, so without cultivation, then the customer intimacy. How do customer relationship management system helps firms achieve the customer intimacy? So CRM system helps the firm achieving the customer intimacy by consolidating the customer information and automating the interaction with the customers. So this allows the firms to know their customer better and provide more personalized services. Example, IKEA is a greater example of the customer intimacy practice that managed to make dreams come true. So when they decided to deepen their customer intimacy, the marketing strategies and the primary goal was to find out their customers in different markets requires and make all the stores more local and customized. So a CM system can be benefit your business by helping you centralize, optimize, and streamline your communications with the customer. So become more better in 5 areas. So better knowledge, better segmentation, and better customer retention, and better anticipation of needs, and better and speeder communication. So what is the difference between the intimacy, customer intimacy, and the operational excellence? So operational excellence is based on providing the products that the low cost, and product leadership is based on the differentiation and innovation. And the customer intimacy is based on the service and flexibilities. So this model says that an organization should focus on one of these disciplines as a part of overall strategy. So operational excellence now it is focusing on the product, and the customer intimacy now it is focused on the it is focusing in the service. So to gain the to model says that it should has to follow either one of these disciplines. So what are the advantages? Companies with a higher customer intimacy have shared understanding of needs and values. So driven a more loyal customer based on that, the higher customer life cycle values and receives more of word of mouth growth. So which greatly improves the metrics, invest the attractiveness and revenue. So what are the disadvantages? You must strive for the customer intimacy to build the lasting relationship and enjoy the higher customer retention. So this approach involves deeply understanding your customer needs. So what are the expectations or what are the preferences, and trialing your interaction to meet these specifics. Thank you.